My good brother, you know the PS is the PS for the whole country. So I visit projects that are ongoing within my State Department at any given time. It's only that this one has also coincided with the President's visit. And I think it's a good thing because we have seen that work is ongoing. We have not come here kuona vitu kwa ground ni different. It is actually happening. And across the country, the government is going to construct more than 57 hostels for Kmtc students. Because we do not want our Kmtc students to have problems when they get to facilities, good facilities for learning. We have the skills lab, but we do not have accommodation for them. Again, that sense of mental, comfort is very, very important for any student who is in school. So we are happy that Kmtc is going to enjoy the new hostels, and especially here in Nyamira County. This is one of the flagship projects that His Excellency William Samoei Ruto has started in this country. Issues of infrastructure and housing being part of the agenda of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. So we are happy to see that the progress is really, really good. And away from just Kmtc infrastructure, we want to say that professionalism in the Ministry of Health is very key. We want to come out with students who are skilled so that they are able to provide the highest level of services in our facilities. The reforms that we have done in the Ministry of Health, coming up with the Social Health Authority, which is part of the bigger agenda of the universal health coverage. And we are really serious around this. So it is not just about the infrastructure. The students who will leave this college will get employed in our county facilities, in the national facilities, and some of them will also go for labor mobility. We will have them through the program, the government program of labor mobility. They can go to other countries and they can work there. But you need to know that Kmtc is our premier institution for mid-level training in the health sector, and it is the only one in the country that is government-led. We have already done the finalization of the admission for the March intake, and we are looking forward to the December intake. The last thing that I would want to say is in this institution, you also want to have a hostel because you would wish to have courses, more courses, instead of the only ones that are based around the community where you need to have to mobilize just the community. Kmtc is a national institution, but mostly it favors more the community that is near there. A construction here will see an increase with students from around here. It will also see an increase in terms of shared amenities, amenities like shopping mat, lighting. And we also have a very ambitious project around the last mile for electrification. So Nyamira people, umebarikiwa sana, sana. And here Mheshimiwa, very hard-working Mheshimiwa. I don't think this would have happened if we did not have the coordination between my State Department and the Member of Parliament for this area, and of course His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya. So I want to thank Parliament for allocating funds for this particular project so that we can see it to fruition. Other than that, we are happy with the progress with other areas. Subsidized fertilizer from the government. Let people continue, or farmers, because I know Nyamira also does a lot of farming. Let the farmers continue getting the subsidized fertilizer from the government. And let people continue registering to the Social Health Authority. You'll only know the need when it hits on you. There are many packages, many things that you need to do that are free, starting from screening. And registration is free. And let facilities guide members of public on how to register. Don't have somebody who has not registered come to your facility, unawambia sha hapa ifanyi, hujajiandikisha. Musaidie ajiandikishe, because you know how important it is to have a health insurance for an individual. Thank you.